Hey, what's going on YouTube? Will here from All Electric, back again with another video, and today we're taking a look at the new Jeda tray and the newest version 4 of the Jeda wireless charger. In this video, you are going to get a complete unboxing and my review after using this for several weeks now. Let's jump right in. Okay, so first we're going to unbox the version 4 of the Jeda wireless charge pad. As you can see here, I already have installed in my car the version 3, and I'm going to go through some of the differences, mostly cosmetic here, but there are some differences under the hood that you won't see, which now the version 4 does have a MagSafe charger, so if you have a newer iPhone, you're definitely going to enjoy this newer charge pad where your phone's going to sort of magnetically click to the charge pad. So aesthetically, I really like the version 4 over the version 3 just because of that Alcantara more premium feeling, smooth, soft versus the softer, just regular rubber. So I use the same cords from before. They're just micro USB plugged into USB-C, or they have also provided USB regular old ones. I think it's called USB-A. But once that's in there, you can see that it still has the availability, like my super old phone that I have that does not have wireless charging, you can still plug in. So I do still use that plug, which is nice because I have a more updated wireless charge pad, but it still takes a plug. Now let's jump over into the Jeda tray. So this is the first version because this is a new product from Jeda, and I'm really excited about this thing because the design of it is incredible, and I'm going to show you why I think it's incredible once it's installed. So it is a very premium feeling metallic. I think it's all made out of metal with the rubberized sections where you can kind of set your stuff, including your Apple Watch and AirPods will charge on this thing. Super easy to install. It slides right in and integrates so well with the wireless charge pad and the Jeda hub. You can see the Jeda hub is straight ahead there in front of the Jeda tray. So I can just take my watch off and simply magnetically charge it. So it has a little magnet just like a regular Apple Watch charger. So the watch is going to stay there and be charged. It is fantastic. I love the design. You can see there how well it integrates with all of their other products. And you still have access to this lower compartment where you keep the very important controller, or that's where at least I keep my controller. They did such a good job designing this thing because you still have a storage kind of hidden now underneath this tray, but you also have way more versatility than just a huge bucket that was just kind of like a deep hole before. So now you can charge your Apple Watch, you can charge your AirPods right in front of the Jeda hub and underneath the wireless charger. Really just smart engineering and smart design here by the Jeda team. I really like how all these integrate together, and the fit and finish of specifically the wireless charger. It looks a lot better and fits more in line with the premium interior of the Model 3 that I have. If you guys are interested in either the Jeda hub, the Jeda wireless charger, or the new Jeda tray, I'm going to leave an affiliate link to Jeda's website down below in the description. Definitely some of the best products I've seen for the center console on a Tesla comes from Jeda, and they've done it again with this newest Jeda tray. Again, you still have that nice hidden access to where I put my controller down below in the center console. You can charge your Apple Watch, your AirPods. You can do so many things, all seamlessly integrated, and it looks super clean. So use that affiliate link down below if you are interested. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you share this video with a friend, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Push the button.
As always, I'll see you in the next one.